Imagine a chainsaw so powerful that it turns giant trees into logs in seconds, or a machine that uproots massive stumps with the flick of a lever. How do these marvels of engineering work? And what kind of skills does it take to handle them? Let's explore the incredible world of extreme heavy machinery and the challenges that come with mastering them. The Stihl MS-880 isn't just a chainsaw. It's a steel warrior. With its 6.4-horsepower engine and a 36-inch blade, this forestry champion is capable of taking down trees as wide as a car. Cutting through hollow giant trees with this machine is like watching a hot knife slice through butter. The power it generates is almost impossible to comprehend. Especially when you consider the heat and air pressure created by its engine. Operators have to maintain precise control while ensuring their safety and the safety of those around them. But what truly makes this chainsaw exceptional is its durability. Designed for long hours of operation in challenging environments, the Stihl MS-880 features reinforced components and an ergonomic design that minimizes fatigue. Operators rely on its precise cutting ability for logging, construction, and even emergency disaster relief. However, mastering this tool isn't just about power, it's about understanding the dynamics of the tree, the angle of the cut, and the environment around it. The Nikola 555C, paired with a Volvo chassis and a superior hydraulic system, is a beast in the logging world. This machine handles the heaviest jobs with remarkable precision. But it requires operators who understand its limits and know how to push it without breaking it. Steep slopes, muddy paths, and dense forests turn even the simplest tasks into monumental challenges. The hydraulic system is the heart of the Nikola 555C. This advanced technology allows operators to control the machine with precision, even in tight spaces. The Volvo chassis provides unmatched stability, ensuring the machine remains steady on uneven terrain. With its multifunctional head, the Nikola 555C can cut, delimb, and stack logs all in one operation. Saving time and increasing efficiency. Operators often highlight the machine's ease of use, thanks to its intuitive controls and state-of-the-art monitoring system. This logging machine is more than a tool, it's an engineering masterpiece designed to make challenging forestry tasks manageable next. Consider the Stump Cutter. With its 170 horsepower engine and advanced hydraulics, this machine makes quick work of the toughest tree stumps. Operators must position the cutter perfectly to maximize efficiency, and they have to stay focused for hours on end. One wrong move, and the entire operation could come to a grinding halt. The Selco Stump Cutter's advanced blade system is what sets it apart. The specially designed teeth can cut through hardwood stumps as if they were made of soft clay. The machine's hydraulic arms provide additional force, ensuring even the most stubborn stumps are removed. This efficiency is particularly valuable in land clearing operations, where speed and reliability are critical. Moreover, the Selco's compact design makes it suitable for residential and commercial use alike, adding versatility to its list of benefits. Imagine hauling massive stumps. That's where the Savannah Model 1720 stump puller comes in. Paired with a John Deere 1050 dozer, this machine can move stumps 20 to 28 inches in diameter with ease. Drivers must carefully balance the load, navigate challenging terrain.
Those are big. Those are big.
And ensure that the stumps are securely fastened to avoid accidents. The Savannah 1720's drive system is a game changer. Built to handle extreme loads, it uses a series of pulleys and hydraulic levers to uproot stumps without damaging surrounding soil. This makes it an eco-friendly choice for forestry and agricultural operations. The machine's robust build ensures it can operate in harsh conditions, from Florida's swampy lands to rugged mountainous regions. The Kenworth T659 is a powerhouse in the logging industry. Capable of hauling 1 million pounds with ease. It's not just a truck, it's a statement. With its top-notch suspension and powerful engine, this machine conquers hilly terrain and treacherous paths. But driving this beast requires exceptional skill and precision. The T659's cab is designed with the driver in mind, featuring advanced navigation systems and ergonomic seating to reduce fatigue during long hauls. Its high-torque engine ensures it can carry heavy loads without losing speed, even on steep inclines. The truck's suspension system is another highlight, absorbing shocks and providing stability on uneven roads. For timber haulers, the Kenworth T659 is the ultimate machine, combining power, efficiency, and reliability. Stump grinders like the Trex Ecotec Tbeg 530 Rapid Crusher are designed for speed and efficiency. Crushing even the toughest stumps in record time, this machine is a favorite for heavy-duty jobs. But speed isn't everything. What sets the Tbeg 530 apart is its precision cutting system. The rotating blades are engineered to reduce vibration, ensuring smooth operation. Its robust motor provides consistent power, making it ideal for industrial-scale operations. The machine's mobility is another key feature, allowing operators to move it quickly from one stump to another. For contractors, this means more stumps removed in less time, a win-win for efficiency and profitability. The AI RUT 800 mulcher is a real beast. Equipped with a cutting system that can handle large stumps effortlessly, its design ensures stability and efficiency. However, it's the operator's skill that truly makes the difference. The RUT 800 features an advanced cooling system, allowing it to operate for extended periods without overheating. Its reinforced steel blades are designed to last even when cutting through dense hardwood. Operators appreciate its user-friendly interface, which includes real-time diagnostics to monitor performance. In forestry and land clearing projects, the AI RUT 800 is a go-to machine for tackling the toughest tasks. The Keyby Chip Max 484 TBC wood chipper, with its advanced chipping system and durable design, can handle hardwood boards with ease. This true workhorse operates non-stop in even the harshest conditions. What makes the Keyby Chip Max unique is its ability to produce uniform wood chips, which are ideal for biofuel and paper production. The machine's heavy-duty components ensure it can handle large volumes of material without wear and tear. Its innovative feed system minimizes clogging, allowing for uninterrupted operation. For industries reliant on high-quality wood chips, the Keyby Chip Max delivers unmatched performance. The John Deere 640H is built for hauling logs through treacherous terrain. Its powerful engine and superior hydraulics make it look like a symphony of engineering in motion. This machine's load-sensing hydraulic system ensures optimal performance, adjusting power output based on the load's weight. Its reinforced axles provide stability even on uneven ground. The 640H advanced safety features, such as rollover protection and automatic braking, making it a reliable choice for challenging forestry operations. Extreme heavy machinery operations aren't just about power. They're about precision, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. From chainsaws slicing through massive logs to stump grinders pulverizing the toughest wood, these machines are engineering marvels that require exceptional skill to operate. They remind us of the incredible feats humans can achieve when we combine innovation with determination. Subscribe now to witness more jaw-dropping moments in the world of heavy machinery.